Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Settings, then go directly to Display and Brightness, or the Themes app if present. You want to reach the lock screen customization area. Once there, make sure to allow any permissions the phone requests so Edit Save. You're doing this now because different XOS builds route clock color settings in two places: System Display or Themes. Once done, select Lock Screen or Lock Screen Style so you can see clock previews before changing color. You'll now locate the clock color controls. Tap Lock Screen or Lock Screen Style and then choose Edit or Customize. Next, select the clock element so you can change font, size, and importantly color. The color picker and preset swatches appear. Make small adjustments and watch the live preview. This helps you pick high contrast colors for readability. If there's a transparency or shadow toggle, turn it on or off to make the time pop against your wallpaper. Finish by tapping Apply or Save, then lock your phone to confirm the new time color on the actual lock screen. If you don't see the change, reboot and reapply the theme. Sometimes the system needs a refresh. Make sure you didn't edit Always On Display separately. If present, change that clock too. If options are missing or grayed out, check for a system update or reinstall the Themes app. These steps resolve most permission and compatibility glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.